One of the hardest things that I hear all the time, Wick, doing videos is hard. Wick, doing videos is challenging. Wick, I don't want to do videos. If you don't want to do videos, but you still want to take advantage of all the opportunity because people are watching videos, then this video is for, oh, my mask is cracking. This video is for you. Happy Friday to you. Be amazing. It's going to be a good day. And this video is going to help you. You know what's hilarious? There are so many resources that you have at your disposal that sometimes if you just work with what you got, you don't need more. You have so much, literally a endless supply. If you don't know me, this is your boy Wick. Wick. Shut up. And the reason I'm in the beauty business, the esthetician space specifically, is because I've been in more sales and marketing for 20 plus years. I've been, doing decent with it. And I just know that if you knew a little bit more about what I know in terms of sales and marketing, you could double, triple, quadruple, 10x your business. And that's what we're going to work on. 10x. Can I get a 10x? I can see you. Give me a hook. Come on. Give me a hook. Even in the comments, drop a hook. Drop an X for me, right? X gonna give it to you. He's gonna give it. Wick's gonna give it to you. All right. What are these resources? You might be wondering. You're like, wait, you talk about I have resources. What are these resources? Ironically, that's my superpower. If I had one superpower that I have, it would be creativity and thinking of weird things that I just see. I'm like, why aren't people doing this? If you have children, and today I posted something about follow-up, and because follow-up is super critical to stay on top of your client's mind. They call it TOMA, top of mind awareness. Because if you don't follow up enough with your clients, they're going to forget about you. Welcome to being human. I don't know what I had for breakfast yesterday. I don't know what I did last week. People forget their kids at daycare. There's like have you ever gone to the other room and forgot what you went to the other room for? Welcome to planet Earth, human, But if you have kids, or let's just say you have kids. If you don't have kids, grab a neighbor's kids. Ask their parents. Don't be weird. Don't be trying to, and definitely don't go to the park and try to recruit. Hey, can I borrow your kid? That's just creepy. Don't be creepy. But if you have kids, who is not shy on video a lot of the times? Kids. They don't give an up. What I would do, get a video and tell your kids what to say. And just do a video of your kids for a follow-up. So let's just say you wanted to follow up with a client who you have not seen for a while. Get your kid on the video. Go, hey, go. And just do a video of your kid and just tell them what to say. Go, hi, Sarah. Let's just say Sarah's the client's name. Hi, Sarah. I am Betty's daughter. My name is Savannah, and I am 4. And I wanted to tell you that my mommy misses you. She has not, she mentioned you the other day that you came in, and she goes, you know what? I have not seen, what's her name again? Sarah or Betty, whoever the client is, right? I'm not seeing a lot of, ever since then, my mommy just lays on the sofa and she drinks a lot of wine. Just make it stupid, but you don't have to say wine, kids. I don't know, whatever. Go, my mommy drinks her magic potion and she goes sleepy on the couch because she misses you. So please do me a favor. It would mean the world to my mommy and me if we, would you be interested in a special deal that my mommy is putting just for you to get 20% off, 50% off for the treatment you had last time? My mommy misses you, and I think you are a nice lady. I can't wait to see. Anyways, but do you see how freaking cute that was? Like if you had a kid, your kid do that video for you and send it to your client or whatever. Oh my God, I would collapse. I don't know, unless people don't have a heart. Could you be so heartless? Sing it, Yeezy. Sing it, right? But someone with a heart that palpitates, that if they have a pulse, if nothing else, if they don't book, it'll be cute, it'll be memorable. Put it on your social media. My girl Julie's here. Julie Tribbett. And I remember when I was first talking to Julie and she was super shy about video. And I go, girl, you know, what you got? And she goes, I got guinea pigs. I'm like, that's strange. That's very strange. But you care about your guinea pigs? She's like, yeah, slick. I'm like, girl, what you gotta do? What you gotta do is you gotta drop the tribbet on them. Like her name is Julie Tribbett, right? Whatever. And she's like, drop the tribbet. I'm like, yeah, girl, you gotta drop the tribbet. and I go, if you are passionate about guinea pigs and that's something you care about and they're part of that, you got to use them in your marketing. You know, throw the guinea pigs in your video, grab your phone and be like, hi, this is Pepper Pig. And Pepper Guinea Pig says, hey, you should moisturize your skin more so it can be soft and supple. Huh, Pepper Pig? Boom, boom, bam. Now Julie's like, you know, blowing it up, right? Like getting crazy. So whatever your last name is because I'm just a weirdo, but you gotta drop it on them. What are some last names? Here, I'm looking at you gotta drop the Kimmel, Sue-Ann Kimmel, my girl Sue-Ann, you're an amazing girl. You gotta drop the Kimmel on them. Go, Sue-Ann Kimmel, you drop the Kimmel, right? You know, Rihanna Cabral them, girl, go, girl. You heard of a brawl? Yeah. Have you heard of a Cabral? What? What's that? I'm gonna drop the Cabral on you. You're gonna book with me. You know, Kelly Ann, you got that. Drop the Angela Munir, right? Mallows. You got just drop the Mallows on them. Go, you know, but use the resources you have. It's not always you have to be on it. Use your pet. Hi, this is my pet. You know, get your dog. And if you have dogs, like I've had 3 dogs in my life, I miss my baby so much, you know, still miss them to this day. But I would say certain words and it'll get them excited. Like, for example, I would say walkie, right? When we're going to take them for a walk, I'll be walkie. And they'd be like, oh, you know, they'd be doing doggy. And so get your dog on the video and just be like, hey, Rufus, dog's name. Hey, Rufus, you know, tell me something. Hey, you know, should people do more skincare treatments? Should they? What do you think? And just say the word walkie. Just say walkie. And they're like, yeah. Go. Should they be cleansing more? Yeah. Right? Literally think outside the box. And you're like, what's that got to do with beauty? Shouldn't I show a video of my product? Shouldn't I show, you know, a blah, blah, blah of my product or service? No, dude. You know, it's weird. But when you look at big ad commercials like Gillette or this and that, some of the commercials have freaking nothing to do with the product, but you're looking for a couple of things. One, you're looking for an emotional connection. Did you make the person laugh? Did you make that person smile? Right? Is it something different that they memorize? They'll memorize that. They'll remember that better. There's an old saying: people will forget what you said, but they'll remember how you made them feel. This is a feeling universe, yo. Feeling. You start with the feeling, you back it up with the logic. You start with the feeling, then you back it up with the logic. Back it up. Big fine thing, won't you back that thing up with logic? Come on, girl, won't you back that thing up with logic? Should be my new jam right there. Anyways, right? So a pet, you use your goldfish if you don't have a pet. You use a neighbor's kid or pet. Don't be creepy. Don't go to the park and go, hey, well, Wick told me to grab a kid and do this. Hey, kid, you want ice cream? Don't be weird. You know, make friends with mamas who have kids and you can do this, right? Or whatever. But take that advantage of that because kids are not shy. Kids don't have that crappy programming that we got over the years, what I call the stinking thinking. A lot of us humans, older humans, we got programmed because we got thrown into a matrix and people are telling us, do this, do that. This is wrong. You don't want to look stupid on this. Look at me right now. How stupid do I look? I got a face mask on that's cracking right there, right? I'm not even looking in the camera half the time because I don't know where to look. You know, do I care? No. What I care about is helping you. So there's going to be some people who watch this and be like, oh, what an idiot. What's this bald fool doing? And he's not even looking at the camera right, blah, blah. Girl, I'm not trying to teach you how to become a freaking broadcaster, right? And person with that kind of negativity is not somebody I want to work with anyways. The purpose of this is to share my message, have some fun, be stupid, and get you moving so you can, X gonna give it to you. So you can 10X your business, X Wick's gonna give it to you, right? So do that. Grab your kids, have some fun with it. You know, we're afraid to do videos. Tell them, teach your kids this is a cleanser. How much cleanser do we use? Just what did mommy teach you? Just like, whoop, just that much. And have her, you know, again, you know, kids can do it on themselves, but you know, what would be cute, again, as I freestyle my thinking, is have the kid put the cleanser on you, have her do a facial on you, a mini facial and stuff like that. You know how fun that would be. It would be, she's laughing, you're giggling, the emotion is real, right? So small things like that will literally, like I'm thinking about this right now. The more I'm talking about it, the more I'm falling in love with it. So do that. Use your kids. Don't, you know, become intimate. You and your business are one. Some people are like, well, Wick, you know, I don't do that because this is my business and this is my personal life, and I don't connect my personal life with my business. You know what? If you can separate them and still be, and you are where you want to be and you're successful, good for you, right? You've done that. Me personally, I am business, personal, boom, there you go. Because I am my business. Jay-Z said it best. You know, instead of saying I'm a businessman, he's like, he put the comma after business. I'm a business man, right? Feel the difference. I'm a business man, not a businessman. Not I'm a businessman. Hope that resonates with you. But I would love to get your ideas. Share with me who do you have in your household, your family, a pet? You can be like Tribbit and drop some guinea pigs in there. I'm sure she's got like 28 guinea pigs. She can let you borrow one. I think she mails them across the country. I don't know what she does. She's weird, right? You know, but she's weird and in a good way. Pick the good weird ones. So try that. Let me know what idea you have. Who can you use to get in your video, and you can have some fun while talking about skincare, your clients, moving you forward. So Wick's gonna give it to you so you can 10X. Oh, god dang, Wick, slow down with that. I almost ripped my shirt. All right, try it, comment, let me know. Be amazing, because being amazing, being yourself, using your superpower pays oh so well. All right, catch you soon. Besos, happy Friday.